I will quickly show you how to import tasks into HubSpot with Import to Wizard and get assignees notified. As a first step, you need to make sure your CSV file contains needed information, date and time you wish the reminder to be sent, task assignee identifying information, email for example. Then upload the CSV file with tasks. On a mapping step, map the assignee of the task to link task to its owner. If you selected email as an identifier, make sure you don't have more than one contact in HubSpot with the same email, otherwise mapping will not work. Then map the field email reminder to set up time and date when you want a notification to be sent. You can select the format of the date and time here. Match it with what you have in your CSV file, so that it's properly recognized during the import. And then start the upload. And here is a quick overview of important steps to follow when importing tasks into HubSpot and want assignees to get notified. Thank you for listening.